First of all, welcome to the channel and thank you for stopping by. When time permits, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. What we're going to do today is replace the exhaust on my 390 Adventure. The exhaust is fine. It's very, very quiet, which is not a bad thing, but I just thought I would spend a little bit of money and see if I could make it a little more robust. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and see how it sounds. I will take and find out how loud it is before it goes on and then how loud it is with the new one. Okay, what we have here is the factory exhaust on the 390 Adventure. It is dented, it is scratched, but it works perfectly well. We're just going to check to see how loud it is. Okay, we're at the position where I'd be sitting on the bike, and it's high 70s to mid 80s for decibels. And if we bring it up to it doesn't go up that much higher when you're revving it. Nah, reasonable 85, 86. Alright, let's swap it out. Okay, in order to remove the existing factory exhaust, you'll need a 13mm socket or wrench, 12mm, and one H4 in order to get this off here. Now, these don't look too bad, that doesn't look too bad, but if you can see in here, this looks just like something that's been subjected to a lot of rain, a lot of splashing, and looks pretty bad. So we're just going to give it a little hit with a liquid wrench, and hopefully that will allow it to come out. Alright, we let the liquid wrench have a couple of minutes. I've rounded off more than one exhaust bolt with a socket, so we're going to give this a try with the wrench. And it is tight. I'm sure I don't need to get it out much more than this before it'll come free, though. Let's give that some more time. Oh, there's something else holding that on. Aha! Little notch. I think that's about as loose as it's going to get. I don't know how many times I have mentioned that I'm just not convinced in the quality of the metal used in this bike. And I think I'm not wrong. Well, we're not using that one again. Okay, so our bolt snapped here, which got us out easily. Took a little bit to get that off of the gasket, but we've cleared our exhaust. Now we just need to clean off our gasket that was provided, which is in pretty good shape. I mean, I ripped it a little bit on the bottom, but it's in great shape. So this is basically a metal mesh with an insulator built into it. And it is baked on here, so it's going to take a second or two to get this off. So I've gone ahead and cleaned this as best as I think it needs. You can see from this right here that it did end up leaving quite a few pieces on, and I used a blade and a very small screwdriver to go ahead and get all of it off. And now we're going to try to gently get this one on without damaging it. Takes longer to do than I thought. By the way, this came with absolutely zero instructions, so I'm just going off of the fact that I've done a few of these exhaust replacements. We'll go ahead and Loctite this in a second. Right now I'm just trying to get it on to figure out where everything should be sitting. Oh, these feel stiff. Well, I guess they need to be. Okay, I forgot to film that while I was fighting with it, but basically I just had to take it down off the hanger, turn it so that these were a little more parallel, and make a slight sacrifice to the home mechanics god, and it did pop on. Okay, here we have the new exhaust. Bolted on nicely. This right here is a little bit loose, but I spent 10 minutes trying to get the shorter one on there with absolutely no luck. I'm gonna hit an auto parts store or Home Depot, see if I can get something slightly shorter than that, because this is tight. It's not quite tight enough, but again, I cannot get the other one on. All right, so we are a couple of decibels higher. We were very high 70s to mid 80s. Now we look like we're low to mid 80s, occasionally a high. And we're still fine at 4,000 RPMs, no louder than it was before. We're still below 90, we're just a couple of decibels higher than it was before. So the new exhaust is on, and the sound is just a little bit louder than it was before, but I think it's got a little more grumble to it, a little better sound. But realistically, it's 373 cc's. You're not gonna get a lot of grumble out of it. It's just gonna be louder if you take the decibel killer out, which I don't plan to do. I'm not looking to make this incredibly loud. But what's good about this system here is, even though it says Akrapovich on it, it's from China. I got this off of Alibaba. It was like $52 and another 30 bucks for shipping, under $83 shipped. And I thought, for $83, maybe it'll sound better, maybe it won't. But honestly, I'm very happy with my investment. Take it out on the road, see how it is. Worst comes to worst, I just pull it off and put the other one back on with a hopefully American-made bolt so it won't snap next time. If you stayed this long, thanks, I really appreciate it. Take care.